Det merket jeg første turen jeg kjørte, at den var, når det blåste så måtte jeg stoppe for ikke sanda skulle komme inn i bilen. Neste tur jeg kjørte, da tok jeg med strømpebukse til min fru, nylonstrømpe, tredde den utenfor inntaket til filteret. Og den måtte jeg ut og børste vekk flere ganger, for bilen begynte å gå dårlig, og da var det tett i det filteret.
We all have our comfort zones, things we're familiar with, and to take that away and go into a hostile environment would be quite frightening, I think, because when he was letting his tyre pressures down and let them down too far and blew 2 tyres, and he only had 2 replacements, should he have taken more spares with him? What would they do if another tyre had gone on that truck?
Really, I should have turned back and bought some new tyres, but I didn't give it that much thought. If you're an explorer, you're an explorer, and there's only one direction: forward.
I've saw grown men cry, lots tougher and stronger than me, you know. They just don't want to go any further. And they abandon trucks.
I once figured out that it's about 30 million feet from Oslo to Dubai. Now look at me, digging my way along 3 feet at a time. I wonder how long it would take me if I had to dig all the way from Norway to here.
Jeg la merke til på filmen at bilen hadde Robson Drive, og den brukte den ikke. Den ville jeg nok kanskje prøvd å bruke.
I'd hoped to use my Robson Drive in the loose sand, but neither it nor the bogey hoist works in the heat. It's certainly taking time. Still, 3 feet is 3 feet. Getting closer all the time. 3 feet closer to Dubai. Don't ask me why I set up the Norwegian flag in the sand. I've no idea. I guess I just panicked a bit and hoped the flag would give me some reassurance. Perhaps I thought I'd landed on the moon and wanted posterity to know that the first man on the moon with a truck was a Norwegian. I certainly felt like an explorer.
The bodily energy he went through, shoveling sand away from the tyres to try and alleviate the obstacle so he could get grip to move forward. And then only moving a short distance and the same thing was happening again. So, not an easy journey. Would they get to their destination? Would they run out of fuel? Would they survive?
Ingenting skjer, håpløst hele dritten.
Well, That's that. Things became a little more hairy.